Welcome to the Drone Hacks tutorial. In this guide, we will take you through a step-by-step process to fully unlock your DJI Mavic Air 3 using Drone Hacks version 2 software. Caution: do not connect your remote controller to the drone or the internet before the hacks are fully applied. If applying hacks fails, contact support, but do not connect the remote controller or DJI will install update on your drone that will stop the possibility of hacking. Before we begin, make sure to read the compatibility warning before performing any hacks on your DJI Mavic Air 3 drone. The link is in the video description below. Reviewing this warning will help you better understand the process. Let's ensure you have the following. 1. A computer running Windows 10 or 11. Mac is not supported. 2. DJI Assistant 2 for consumer drones, required for drivers. 3. DJI Mavic Air 3 drone. 4. USB-A to USB-C cable. 5. Drone Hacks software. 6. Drone Hacks license. Let's start with step 1. Installing DJI Assistant 2 for consumer drones. The link is provided in the video description. You can simply type dji.com downloads. In the menu on the left, click Software, then select DJI Assistance 2 series and select DJI Assistance 2 for consumer drones. Choose Windows version. I will download the .exe file. Now that my download is completed, I will close everything and head over to my Downloads folder. Install the software to ensure all necessary drivers are available. Follow along to install the DJI Assistance 2 for consumer drones software. Please note, you will not need to use this software, but it is required for drone hacks to communicate with the drone. Once the installation is complete, reboot your computer to refresh the drivers. Now, let's move on to step 2, creating a Drone Hacks account. This account is essential, as you will need it to purchase a license to unlock your drone. The license will be tied to this account. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, click Sign Up to create one. Simply follow along, fill in all the required fields to create your account, and click Sign Up. You will receive a confirmation message stating, "Success. Registration was successful. Verify your email to log in." After creating your account, please check your inbox and verify your email. Once your email is verified, you can return to dronehacks.com and log in. Now that we've confirmed a successful login, let's move on to step 3. Downloading and installing Drone Hacks software version 2. Since we are already logged in, click where it says Download Drone Hacks for free on the main homepage. Then click Download Drone Hacks V2. Once the download is complete, minimize your windows and navigate to your Downloads folder. Let's install Drone Hacks V2. Make sure to leave the checkbox selected so that the sign-in window appears after clicking Finish. We recommend signing in using your email and password. Once you see the welcome screen, click on the drone icon to access the Drone Hacks software main dashboard. Now we move on to step 4, connecting the drone via USB cable. Let's go ahead and do that now. Power on your DJI Mavic Air 3 and connect it to your computer via USB-C cable. The software will display your drone's connection status. The status should indicate healthy and confirm that your drone is supported. We've now reached step 5, verifying compatibility, purchasing and registering a license. Navigate to License Management in the left-hand menu. Click Purchase New License to be redirected to the website for purchasing a license. Drone Hacks V2 will now check if your drone is impacted by the DJI firewall patch released by DJI to prevent drone hacking. If Drone Hacks V2 shows that you are affected and unable to purchase hacks, there is currently no solution. You can then stop watching this video. If you are not affected, as you can see here, it checked the firmware for the DJI firewall patch and did not find it. You can see the green check mark. This means you can now purchase the hacks for your DJI Mavic Air 3. However, please remember to keep your remote controller off throughout the entire process. We can now select the no-fly zone removal hack and purchase a license. In the payment method window, you can select your preferred payment option to purchase the license. Let's go ahead and complete the purchase. Now that we've completed the license purchase, let's return to DroneHack's Software v2 and navigate to License Management to verify that the license has been added. Now let's click Register to bind the license to the drone. Once you click Register, select the Confirm button. You will then receive a notification confirming that your license has been successfully registered. Please note, once a license is registered, it is non-refundable and non-transferable. We have now reached Step 6, Applying Modifications. Go to the Modifications section. The software will detect your drone model and firmware, displaying all available modifications. Select your desired modification. For example, no fly zone and altitude removal and permanent FCC mode. Click Apply Modification and accept the legal disclaimer. Once completed, you will receive a Modifications Applied Successfully message. Click I understand. You have now reached Step 7, Verifying your modifications. Then navigate back to the Modifications section to review all the hacks that have been applied to your drone. You can now close Drone Hacks and disconnect your drone to test the hacks. Congratulations, your DJI Mavic Air 3 is now fully unlocked and ready for enhanced performance with Drone Hacks.